Anything World History, we are on to Unit 2, and it is one of my favorites. I know I say that a lot in this course because World History Semester 2 is actually my favorite to teach. Shh, don't tell anybody, okay? Anyways, so World War I and the Russian Revolution. So the world has been through a huge changes at the turn of the century, and it seems strange that Europe would be entering into the deadliest conflict the world has ever seen, right? Although European countries were mostly at peace with each other, the peace was shaky, to say the least. Everything we learned about the last module will come to a tipping point in World War I. The causes, the devastating war, and the effects live on to this day, and lesser known is the insanity that happens during Russia at the exact same time. And although communism was known only in theory, Russia puts it to the test with the Russian Revolution. And this is definitely an exciting time in world history, one of my favorites. So, as usual, you have your essential questions, and you also have your learning objectives down there at the bottom. Always reach out if you have any questions. I'm very excited to get started in this unit with you. Thanks, guys.